guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a long time since I uploaded, but we are back, and today I will be showing you how to get this natural makeup look. Okay, the only two palettes that I use are these two from Bad Habit Beauty, and I got these from Hush. So I use the Aurora palette and I use the Athena palette. Circle there so y'all can see. So I'm just gonna see which one. So I'm just gonna do something. I guess I'm gonna go with the Aurora palette just for something neutral. And I'm gonna use this pink here. You guys can see. This pink is gonna be like the natural, so I'm gonna use that. And I am not a makeup guru. I'm just gonna take a brush. Okay. I would do eyeliner, but I'm not gonna do it this time. But the one that I use is just a wet and white, because I really don't want to try to do the cat eye and mess up, because I do mess up when I do my cat eye. So I'm just gonna leave it at this. I have a new face primer I'm gonna try. It's from Elf. And it's this. Can you see that? It was really clear. And I'm just gonna try it. Okay. I also got this to try before I put it with my foundation. I'm gonna use this and then use my foundation. Filler. I'm just gonna squeeze. Okay, I'm back, guys. I'm gonna have to give me another memory card because that one is full. But I just finished blending out my concealer, so now I'm going to contour, and I mixed 2 different contours. I have this contour stick, and I also use this Ruby Kisses 3D Face Creator. And I also have me a new brush, a contour brush. I'm just going to put this one. Okay, now that I finished contouring, I'm just going to use this powder from Airspun. That's a neutral. I don't bake, I just set it. So I'm just going to take this. So now that I'm done with the powder, I take this powder from Ruby Kisses in the color Cognac to get my color back. And I just use this same fluffy brush. So now I'm going to take this blush from Milani in the color Tea Rose and just apply some of that. I'm taking the same fluffy brush. Time for me to use this setting spray. This is by Hard Candy and it's called Glow. Now it's time for the highlight, and I use 2 different ones. I have a gold and I have a silver. And I just use it with this brush. So for the lips, I'm using this lip plumper from BYS. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.